initial process, the hair is run parallel on thread on the string. The flare product only uses string and synthetic hair, not the human hair. There are some types of synthetic hair that can be used, either Shamira 100, Phalang, or Modlon. The function of rubbing in this process is to tidy up the hair before being processed in the next step. The flared eyelash then needs to be cut to make it orderly and exactly similar to the size of the real eyelash. The cutting can be done by using either scissors or cutting machine. Prepare a small pipe and paper to roll up the flared eyelash. Wet the paper with the water and then put the flared eyelash cut previously on the pipe. Before being rolled up, the knitting needs to be done with the process, what we call kuching. Kuching is the term used in the rolling process. It commonly uses a pen-like tool with a sharp point. The tool is used in the rolling process to make the knitting blossom in the next process. The function of rolling and tying is to make a curve the flared eyelash in the oven process later on. The function of tying in this process is to make the knitting tight in the predetermined measurement. This process of oven is to preserve the curved flared eyelash or make it durable. The temperature needed for the synthetic material during the oven process is around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for 30 to 40 minutes. After the oven process, the result is to curve the flared eyelash depending on the size of the pipe to roll up the flared eyelash. The smaller the size of the pipe, the more curved the eyelash and vice versa. The function of cutting in this process is to produce desired the flared eyelash pattern. This department is where the tray or container is made to put the flared eyelash in the finishing process, and the process of stamping is done to print the text or either the name of the flared eyelash on the tray that has been made. The way to implant the flare products by giving a small amount of glue on the point of knot and put the flare products in the prepared tray or container. Flare product finishing is done through packing arranged in the inner box and packed with the master box as well as covered tightly by using adhesive.